So today let's talk about this cool feature in Windows 11 called dynamic lighting. It basically controls the RGB lights on your keyboard or mouse that support it. Now if you want to turn it on or off, here's what you need to do. First, open your Windows settings. You can just press Windows try together. Then from the left side, click on Personalization, and after that click on Dynamic Lighting. Once you're here, you'll see a switch that says Use Dynamic Lighting on my devices. If you turn it on, your supported devices will start syncing their lights with Windows, and if you turn it off, it'll stop controlling them. You can also adjust the brightness and choose an effect like solid color or rainbow mode. Totally your choice. It's super simple, right? If you just wanted to know how to enable or disable dynamic lighting, this is all you need to do. And if it doesn't show up for you, don't worry. I'll make another video on how to fix that. For now, try this out and see how your RGB setup reacts.